Do you want unlimited followers on your Facebook profile? If so, keep watching this video because in this video I am going to share the best method to get unlimited followers on Facebook. So let's see. If you want to get unlimited followers on your Facebook profile, make sure you have enabled followers on your account and set who can comment on your public posts to public. And make sure your post privacy is set to public, otherwise this tool may not work. Now first of all, go to wefbee.com. Then scroll down and tap on auto followers. Now tap on generate access token button. Now type your email and password to log in to your Facebook account. Then again tap on generate access token. Now copy the code from this box. After copy, paste the code into the blank box. Now tap on login. Now insert the user ID into the blank box and tap on use auto followers button. Now you will get unlimited friend requests on your profile. Just ignore the friend requests and they will turn into your followers. I don't recommend to keep using of any auto followers apps or websites. Your Facebook account might be get hacked or blocked. Create your new Facebook account and try this method for safety. If any question regarding this tutorial, please feel free to write in comment box. If you feel this video helpful, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to keep watching our videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.